Why DIY? It's more than a way to finish a new project. It can also help you achieve your dreams. Here's how from your friends at American Family Insurance. DIY projects or do-it-yourself projects aren't just a great way to save money. They're also extremely beneficial to your well-being, productivity, and personal enrichment. Let's take a look at 5 reasons to start your own DIY project. Boost your brain power. Learning new skills, whether big or small, is a great way to gain knowledge. And learning how to develop new skills has never been easier. You can keep it light with helpful how-to videos on platforms like YouTube or sites like Today's Homeowner, or explore your creativity with free classes at places like Skillshare.com. Illuminate self-discovery. DIY projects can awaken natural talents we didn't know we had, or inspire us to pursue a new personal passion. If you have a friend or relative with a DIY skill that always intrigued you, give them a call and pick their brains. If you're looking to get inspired online, browse the endless ideas and projects on Pinterest with a simple search. Bring out your best self. A DIY project is a great way to keep both your body and mind active, which keeps you healthy and happy. When you're focused on a personal goal, you get to drown out the noise around you and discover your full potential while creating something all on your own. Starting a dedicated journal will let you brainstorm, plan, and track your accomplishments in one place. It may even inspire you to create more DIY projects. Form richer relationships. While you might be tackling your DIY project on your own, there are thousands of people out there who share your interest. Social media is the perfect place to chat about your projects and share them. Look for like-minded groups on Facebook, Reddit, Discord, or other platforms. You might even start a new project with someone just as passionate as you are. Discover a newfound confidence. When you learn to create something on your own, you're not just less reliant on the services of others, you're also gaining a sense of accomplishment and boosting your confidence. This could even inspire you to turn your new skill into a side gig or even a new career. As you can see, DIY projects can be a great source of happiness, allowing you to learn a new skill, cultivate a talent, keep yourself active, form new relationships, and boost your confidence. Not to mention, you get to keep your dream creation. And don't forget, American Family Insurance is here to support your dreams, whether they're DIY or not. See more ways we're here to support your dreams at amfam.com.